What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Jay, and in this video today, we're going to be taking a look at the Buds 2 by the company Tecno. Now, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you to the company for sending it out. I really do appreciate any and everything that we get here on the channel that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you're into, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. Let's get to it. All right, you guys. So if you are in the market for a set of earbuds, you can find these right here on Amazon. I'll make sure I throw a link up in the description, but the price on these is going to be about $26.99. And once again, these are by Tecno, and these are the Buds 2 wireless earbuds in black. So let's scroll through the product page real quick just to see what other information we can find on these earbuds. So right here it just says one-step pairing, has an ultra minimal design, has Bluetooth 5.0 technology, just like the Buds 1. And it says you get about 200 songs with the charging case. And just a lot of other great information. It says it has a minimal design. And if you take a look right here, it does say advanced noise cancellation and about 12 hours of playtime total. I think that's pretty good right there. Also scrolling down a little bit more, it says minimal design, no button and no touch panel. And I think one of the other biggest features that it has is the fact that they are water resistant. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a quick look around the box and see what else comes inside. So taking a look at the box, it just has some typical branding. It says Tecno at the top, Buds at the bottom. Great picture of the earbuds in the middle, Buds on each side, and Tecno at the bottom. Some great presentation by the company Tecno. I think they're spot on when it comes down to the presentation of their boxes and things like that. But pause the screen right here and take a look at this information for me real quick. Opening up the box, the first thing you are going to be greeted with is the user manual on the left hand side. Don't forget to take a look at that user manual if you need to get yourself familiar with how these buds work. After that, you will have your micro USB cable. Don't forget, you can use any micro USB cable that you do have laying around, so you don't have to be confined to that one. And then next, on the right hand side of the box, you're going to have your earbuds and the case. Taking out the little plastic wrap, you will then be greeted with the actual case of the earbuds, which is a nice shiny black. So here's everything that's going to come inside the box all in one shot right here. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive a little bit deeper into these actual earbuds. So taking a deeper look at the actual case and the earbuds themselves, just on the case it says Tecno. It is a hard shell like plastic, fingerprint magnet, very shiny, and I'm pretty sure to get scuffed up in my gym bag, but it is what it is. Right on the front, you have an indicator light area here. On the back, micro USB slot or port right there. And right on the side, it has like a little area that seems to be a spot where you can clip it on your gym bag or whatever the case. So another quick thing is I have my iPhone right here in the background, and I just want to show you guys how to pair these. So once you open up your Bluetooth in the background right there, all you do is pop these open just like that, and Tecno Buds should pop up right here at the bottom. And once it pops up, you just tap that, and just like that, you are connected. So taking a look at the actual earbuds themselves, let me take these out. This is what the case looks like on the inside right here, left and right. So let's see, taking a look at the actual earbuds themselves, they do not have ear tips, so just keep that in mind. These are pretty much like a one size fit all right here, and they don't have any touch controls and things like that. So, but this is what they look like, and like I always tell you guys, excuse my hands, I lift a lot of weights. But this is what they're gonna look like right here. Nice and sleek. I like them. I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit pretty well. I'm curious to see how these will fare off in the gym, you know, as far as me sweating and seeing if they fall out of my ear. But yeah, let me go ahead and take a listen to these. I give me about a quick 30 minutes or so. I'm gonna listen to them, see how they fit and things like that, and then I will come back, talk about them real fast, and then we'll wrap this video up. All right, be right back. All right, you guys, so just checking back in with you guys. It's been about 30 minutes. I have been listening to some great music, and they sound amazing. Now, what I do like about these is that they sound really clear. I'm not sure if a lot of you guys out there are into music production and things like that, but these sound really clear. So if you're somebody who understands that, what I mean clear and crispy, then you kind of know what I mean by that. They sound like studio quality or something like that, but not a whole lot of bass, even though it said deep bass. It's not a whole lot of bass, but it's just the right amount of bass. It is a little, high end, I guess, as far as like the treble go. It is pretty high, but at the same time, I had the volume turned to about 80%, man, and they sounded great, man. So I do think that these will be a great set for anybody out there that's just looking for a pair of earbuds that don't have a lot of different ear tips, don't have a lot of controls, and just simple, sound good, and they just get straight to the point. That's what these earbuds represent to me. And I'm anxious to wear these to the gym, get some workouts in and see if they fall in and out of my ear, because that is my biggest pet peeve with earbuds. That is like my ultimate test. So like always, give me about a week and I'll come back and I will follow up on these, let you guys know, what I think in about a week. But as of right now, they sound crispy. They sound good. They sound real clean and clear. And the bass sounds, it's like the right amount of bass on these. I do think that a lot of people will like these and can benefit from these. And these are a great set to add to your stash. So with that being said, let's wrap this video up. Now, if you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I see you guys in the next one. Peace.